Struggling after meals? Feeling bloated, sluggish, or uncomfortable every time you eat? It's not just the food, it's your digestion working overtime. Introducing DigestSync, a 100% natural digestive support formula designed to help your gut stay balanced, comfortable, and active. With a powerful blend of natural ingredients, probiotics, digestive enzymes, plant-based fibers, DigestSync helps ease bloating and gas, supports healthy digestion and nutrient absorption, promotes gut comfort and regularity. No harsh chemicals, no confusion, just nature working with your body to bring you digestive ease. Feel lighter, feel more energized, feel good after every meal. DigestSync, the natural way to support digestion. Tap the link below to learn more and begin your wellness journey today.